How to get $40 Old Navy promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now over here you'll find the search box. Type in oldnavy.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Old Navy. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you will find this section of promo code. Order basic code and you'll get the discount. But where can you get Old Navy promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Old Navy promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get promo code for Old Navy. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. Once you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can see that 25% coupon code, 30% off, 40% off, and many more. If you're just looking for coupon codes, click on this option of coupon codes. Now on this page, you're going to find only coupon codes. Now head towards any of the offer that you are interested in and want to use it. Just click on view coupon. So here's the code, you can copy it. You can head towards the website of Old Navy, log into your account, browse through the menu, select the items that you want to purchase, and while you check out, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and proceed to confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount on your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. In this page, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Old Navy. Well, this way you can easily get up to $40 Old Navy promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.